You were talking just before we started recording, and I'd like to go back to that because I was sat there for a minute thinking, wow, okay, we might be out of jobs in the future. You were talking about the power of AI when it comes to cold calling, and you've seen some demos. I guess what does maybe the future hold for salespeople, people that prospect and lead generation when it comes to AI?
So, well, some of the demos that I've seen is that the AI automatically chooses the right voice that speaks at the right tone, that speaks at the right speed, and it figures that out within the first few seconds of the call, and it adapts without you knowing. So just the way you answer your phone, this stuff may be outlawed because it's too powerful. So if for example, it detects through data that you, based on how you answered the phone and how it knows, goodness knows, but if it detects that you'd respond better to a female Irish voice, it'll become a female Irish voice. If it detects that you would be more of a deep Darth Vader sort of, Daniel, I am calling you. It's just going to become the thing that Have you ever seen the movie Her? Where he has these ongoing flirty conversations with Scarlett Johansson as the voice. And when that came out, it seems so preposterous. And at the end, he's absolutely jilted that his operating system is having these conversations with other people as well, where he thinks he has a very personal relationship. And he asks her the question, how many other people are you talking to right now? And she goes, well, you don't want to know that. That's personal. And he says, no, tell me, how many people are you talking to? And she says, about 4.5 million. Right. So what AI can do is brute force 30,000 calls a minute and become whatever you want it to be for that first call, and it can have great conversations, and provided it's got the detail and the information. It can certainly do. It'll certainly do things like appointment setting, all of that sort of stuff.